Hey, what's up, guys? I am in the shop today. It's Monday. Monday's a good day in the shop for me. I look forward to starting the week off, getting some work done. So I'm actually getting the video for tomorrow edited, actually finishing up some things. So I don't know what time it'll be ready tomorrow, but it may be a little bit later than, say, 7 or so. I think I'm liking the release on Tuesday for sure. And then instead of 7, I think I'm releasing like between 9 and 11. So be sure to be looking for that. I like that. I like that release time. So I got a couple of things on the bench I want to tell you about. Um, the first thing I want to mention is I just got off Instagram, and if you guys don't know who Cammy's Garage is, CAMMIES GARAGE, Cammy's Garage. He draws. He's an insane artist. He draws other like YouTubers and whatever. I think he's done like DeResta and Bob Claggett and Pachito and all those. I don't know who else he's done. Maybe Berkey. I don't know who all he has done, but man, he is so good. But I just got off Instagram and I just couldn't believe he drew myself and Jay Bates together, and it was just hilarious. It was so good. I had to take a snapshot of it and send it to Jay. He hadn't seen it yet. He said I looked like Gandalf in the drawing, but go check out Cammy's Garage on Instagram. Give him a follow. He's having a lot of fun over there. And dude, if you're watching, thanks. I loved it. It was cool. So now also I've got something else I want to show you. I've got some new hats in, and I got a couple different styles. So I'm going in a different direction. I'm not a flat bill kind of guy, but I got some for in case some of you guys are, and I've got a different design. So let me see if I can put one of these on one-handed here. So I'm not really a flat bill guy, but this is made by Branded Bills, and the logo, let's see if you can see it. Stone & Sons Workshop in black leather. It's a little bit, sorry. This is the one I like, but it's a little bit different. I'm kind of going for a different style, but you can see the Stone & Sons Workshop in black leather. I didn't want anything like just bam, just way out there, and I wanted a little bit of a change from this. I still have these. I've had this one for a while, so it's kind of beat up. But I like the way this fits. It looks good. It's really well made, and it's just really cool. This one has got a little bit different texture in it. The gray is a little bit different, but you can, I love how the logo turned out. It's just not, it doesn't stand out, but you can just kind of subtle. That's what I like about it. So tell me what you guys think about that. I don't have these on the website yet, but leave me a comment down below what you think about them. Of course, I guess when you get them broke in, it'll be, you know, they'll look a little bit better. But the flat bill, I see several guys wearing these, and I thought I'd try just to see if anybody was interested in some of the flat bills. These are a little bit darker on the front side, but I like the contrast, the trucker on the back, and then a little bit cleaner look. You know, it's kind of a little more neater, dressier, you know, whatever, than this. So anyhow, let me know what you think about those. I've got both styles. I've only got 6 of each right now, but Branded Bills, that's their logo. Look them up on Instagram. They're the ones that did this for me, and I just want to shout them out, give them a plug. It looks really, really good. Whether, you know, there's several different styles of hats, but these are the 2 that I picked out, you know, to change up my style a little bit. So we'll see how they do. But the quality is really, really good. So anyway, check those guys out. Branded Bill on Instagram, and then Cammy's Garage over on Instagram. Check those dudes out. Give them a follow. And then tomorrow, tune in for the, I think I showed you already, but tune in for the leg vise and the sliding dovetail wedge for that. So that's a super cool shop project. Really easy. Did it one day. So Should be a lot of fun. Anyway, all right, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Later.